Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the elephants and the Ababil. Surah Al-Fil, verses 1 to 5. During the year Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was born, there happened an amazing event. In memory of that event, the year is called Year of Elephants. There was a state known as Yemen. Yemen was ruled by King Abraha. Abraha was jealous of the holy Kaaba, which was always visited by people. Abraha also wanted Yemen to be visited by people. So Abraha built a temple which was more beautiful than Kaaba, but the Arabs preferred to visit the Kaaba only. Abraha was very angry and prepared an army with hundreds of elephants to attack the Kaaba. Abraha was confident that the Kaaba would be destroyed. The army with elephants marched towards Mecca. The people of Mecca were very scared to see the large herd of elephants. But the leader of Mecca, Abdul Muttalib, warned that the Kaaba is protected by Allah and no one can destroy it. Abraha persisted and ordered his troop to attack the Kaaba. Suddenly, the elephants refused to move. They looked terrified, for on the horizon, dark clouds appeared. The sky became dark, covered by countless birds called Ababil, which were sent by Allah. The Ababil hurled hot rocks onto the army of Abraha overnight. The army of Abraha was destroyed. Abdul Muttalib was grateful to Allah for the Kaaba was no longer in danger. The people of Makkah were overjoyed and congratulated Abdul Muttalib. Thereafter, the people who heard about this great event started saying that Abdullah's wife could be the one who would conceive a child that will be followed by all mankind in the future. No long after that incident, Amina, the wife of Abdullah, gave birth to a baby boy, Abdul Muttalib, named the baby Muhammad, which means praiseworthy. Abdul Muttalib wanted the whole heaven and earth to praise him. Later, Abdul Muttalib conveyed his dream to the Meccans. In his dream, he saw a necklace emerging from his back. It was like a long necklace, which looked like a tree, lashed with bow. One of its branches shone with light, and many people relied on it. Reference Surah Al-Fil 105.